Now, before we get into the main video, I'm just gonna quickly make a milkshake because I feel like it, and I thought I might as well record it. So yeah, I'm just gonna fix the angle so you can see the mixie. Okay. Yeah. My hands are all sticky and gross. Yeah. I've got my fancy milkshake, and now I can finally start. Yes, okay. So today, I'm painting on a canvas, and what I'm painting is like, you've seen those like TriPpY paintings, with like dripping neon colors and stuff like that. Yeah, that's what I'm painting. I mean, if you don't get an idea, I'll just put some references here. Anyway, that's what I'm painting today, and I got these neon paints. I got these neon paints that has 4 colors: pink, right? Yeah, pink, yellow, green, and orange. And I also got these new neon paint brushes. Their color is neon, they're just normal paint brushes, but they're new and I haven't used them yet, and I want to so bad, so that is why. And besides, like, I haven't painted in so long, and I haven't gotten the time, and now like finally my vacations are here, so I can paint now. And I haven't even uploaded a painting video in a long time either, and like, you guys know painting is like therapy for me, so yeah. Honestly, I love doing that. I love taking off that plastic cover from like the canvas. It's fun. Anyway, so I don't really have an idea in my mind what I'm going to do. I'm still trying to figure out something, but like, I have like the basic idea, but like not a full picture. So anyway, let's just get into it. Okay.
She disappeared. Love checked into my heart and trashed it like a hotel room. Who is your God? Where is she? She wants to bury me in Austin, or never she go. She don't want to be your man, woman. She wants to be your love. Oh, sweet love. All of the others don't us back to render. Make your romance be made up. I'll be your vodka in it, spot and escape to vanilla. She don't want to be your man, woman. She wants to be your love. Faulty love got me on my knee. We were one, then become three. Mama, what have you done to me? I'm half crazy. Faulty love. It's not that this song's about her. Most songs are about her. Sun shines underneath us. Fearing you guys of my control and just blaming each other. She don't want to be your man or woman. She wants to be your love. Oh, still love checked into my heart and trashed it like a hotel room. Who is your God? Where is she? She wants to bury me in Austin.
I finally finished it. Yay! That was a lot of work. I honestly did not think it would be this much work, but it was. So yeah, anyway. This is the end result. I like it. I do. If you don't look at it from like up close, you cannot tell the amount of mistakes slash how messy it actually is. If you like really get it closely, so let's not. But otherwise, I think it came out pretty well. I absolutely love how vivid the colors are. I think they're like so pretty. I love it. Even though this was like a pink, I love the checkered print. Yeah, checkered print also. And the butterfly. I think she's super cute. Yeah. I think it's great. I absolutely totally regret the decision of not using a marker to like outline this stuff, because I think it would have been way neater, but I thought, you know what, I should like authentically keep it just with paints. Yeah. I think it's great, and yeah, not too close, because you know. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Yeah, I will see you guys next time. Bye!